Welcome back to Ben's garage. We're out in the field today. We're trying to look at the tractor, the new tractor. Nothing's gone wrong with it so far, apart from we've got a tyre that keeps going flat. Don't know what it is. It could just be anything, but we're going to fix this puncture with some Tyre Slime. That's nearly a litre. That's going to be too much for this tyre. So I might do both tyres. Now, I've used this stuff before. I've used it as an emergency get me home type thing. I was out on a motorbike and I got a nail in the tyre, and it was quite a long nail and it went in at a funny angle. I put some of this in, pumped it up, and that lasted for a good fortnight. Well, it would have lasted even longer, but I put a new tyre on it after that. It does make a mess. So just wait for this wind to die down. When it comes to changing tyres, your tyre fitter will not be happy with you if you've got this stuff in it. But I wouldn't put it in a car tyre or anything like that, because it's a roll-in thing. It basically is going to put your tyre out of balance and it will shake like a sod. This is agricultural, it's off-road. We don't go on the road with it. It's just for around here. And even that, even if we did take it on the road, it doesn't go fast enough to worry about putting the tyres out of balance. I'll just talk you through how to do it. Now, this is worldwide leader in tyre care. It's just called Slime. I think that's the make of it. You get like a tube there, and in the top you've got, in the lid, you've got a little valve key, so you can take the core of the thing out. Obviously the tube goes onto there, like so. Push that right on. You take the top off, and there's a seal just inside there. So what you do is you take your, you try and get your tyre so that the valve is sitting at the top of the wheel, which this almost is. Take the valve core out, deflate the tyre, put some of this in it, put your valve core back in and pump your tyre up. Once you've done that, just drive it backwards and forwards a few times. That'll just circulate this stuff around the tyre and it'll coat it. And then basically what happens, if you get a puncture or something, say you run over a nail and the nail comes out, because 9 times out of 10 if a nail stays in there, it blocks the hole. This thing will find the hole. It stays liquid inside your tyre, and when it comes into contact with the outside air, it sets, and it's quite fibrous and stuff, and it does do a good job. Years ago I was working for a recovery firm called CSG Recovery. If you're local to Peterborough, you've probably seen them about, yellow and red trucks. I think they've since changed the name of the business now. We was putting it in we had like an off-road teleporter for moving the cars around the yard and stuff. We put that in it. We put this in the tyres because it kept leaking. We had a little a quad, little 4x4 quad. We put this in the tyres. The boss did put it in his Mitsubishi Shogun, and that's when he said it's got to come out because it just puts everything out of balance. But anything off-road, it's perfect. So we're going to crack on, get down here and do this. I've got all the airline run out here, so we should be good to go. So we'll see you down here. once you've got that done, you want to rotate the tyre. So Tina's just going to drive it backwards and forwards. Like so. Just do a little turn in the field. I'm just going to get her to do a bit of a lap of the field, and it'll just spread it throughout the tyre, slosh it about a little bit, and it'll coat everything. And then if there is air leaking anywhere, it will find the gap and seal it, hopefully. Tina! Handbrake! Whoopsie daisy. So that's done. I've done both front tyres. I've put about 500ml in each front tyre. Tina's now going around and spreading it round in the other tyre now, and hopefully that'll cure it. Let's have a quick look. Got some other jobs to do on the digger. It's a tractor. Grease it up, and at some point give it a bit of service. It has got a slight hydraulic leak on it, but I think that's just they've got a really bad Jubilee clip on there, so I'll replace that. And yeah, I'll have some grass to cut very soon, but we're off into the garage now to do another job. We're going to get that fuel pump on the wall, get all the tanks set up so we can order some red diesel, which will be jolly nice. But yeah, for this video, that's Tyre Slime. That's how you get it in your tyre, and hopefully it's going to do a good job. I've had good success with it before, and hopefully it's going to do a good job on the tractor. So I hope you enjoyed this video. You maybe learnt something new today. And from me and the Hobbit over there, I've got to put the tools away now. It's bye for now.